lives are beautiful because we have nature. Our natural environments are inspiration to us in all aspects of our life. The beautiful flowers, the cool and relaxing breeze from the sea, the morning crowing of a cock. Human activities of late has become a threat to the lives of other creatures. Installations of Don Bosco, as we all know, are for the young people and with the young people at heart. We have decided to care for them through protecting our natural environment. Here in our community, we have an organic farm because we do not waste food. All food particles that are leftovers, like peels of banana, peels of yam, any other food left are being composted and used on the organic farm. So tomorrow also we are going to embark on tree planting and also some ornaments on the compound here, and it's happening in all our sectors in the AFW province.
Okay.
So even in Sunyani, they've already started with young people writing poems and something on the placard to tell the world that they should care for it because it's their future. So these are some of the activities that we are doing. We also separate our waste materials, being it paper, plastic, electronic waste, metal, and this has helped us reduce a lot of costs that would have incurred in our waste management. We encourage you all to also do the same.